Hello everybody. I hope everyone is doing well, whether it is morning, nighttime for you. This is going to be a little bit of a late night reading, timeless general message reading, okay? Let me go ahead and get with the intro here. I am your divinely aligned empress, okay? And I am a divine channeler, energy reader. I'm not really going to call myself a tarot reader, even though I kind of read tarot, but it's more so just the energies and the downloads that I receive from spirit, okay? So today, not even just today, it is a time period of rest, restoration, rejuvenation, okay? Pouring into yourself, giving to yourself. You have already been doing these things, but you're either learning about it and incorporating it into your day-to-day life, okay? And you're doing your thing, you're getting to it, taking care of business, okay? Alright, so let's see where we're going to go first. I do want to get... Oh, there's a moth flying straight to the camera. Okay. That's something, definitely. You have probably been attracting many animals, insects, everything, okay? You've probably been seeing moths, spiders, lizards, frogs, hawks. That's a very, very prominent one, is hawks and also crows, especially in large flocks. So yeah, this is definitely a period of relaxation, and some of you are smokers, okay, and this is a 420 reading, okay? Okay, if you got something to smoke on, go ahead, take a toke, get your smoke on, okay? And sorry if there's extra cuts, okay, in this video, because we're gonna be taking many breaks, okay? There's no rush right now. We have literally all the time in the world. That's what it feels like, okay? You have probably been starting to feel these things, coming into it, okay? You're coming into your divine emperor, divine empress energy, okay? We are gonna start off with some tarot, okay? I have already shuffled all of the decks. I have already gone through them. Let's see what comes out here. Okay. Divine Creator, Divine Angels, what messages you have for us? What are we going to focus on today? Okay, already, whoa. We have up here at the top, we have Ace of Wands. Okay, Ace of Wands. Hope you can see that far. Ace of Wands, Ten of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. What else? There may be colors, okay, that have been sticking out to you, colors that your angels are trying to get you to notice, okay? I saw the Three of Pentacles there trying to jump. Also, sticking up, trying to squeeze out of there. We have Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands, and we have Temperance card on the bottom. Yeah. Yes. You are really cultivating, okay? You are cultivating, you are learning, you are expanding. You have been learning of your psychic abilities and how they basically interact with divine and interact with the world. You're sitting pretty on your throne here. Stay in this energy. You're in a very temperate energy, very balanced energy. You have been working on and building on to yourself, and you have been seeing what works for you. You've been seeing what doesn't work for you, and you're really implementing the things you need to implement. Okay, especially lessons that Divine has taken you through. It took quite a while to reach this place that you are at, but you are finally in it, seeing it, feeling it, you know, literally your 10 of Cups energy that you have manifested and cultivated for yourself. Okay, you're really shaping your reality to what you prefer. And like once we learn these things and once we reach that point, everything takes off. Like everything is in alignment. You have already been in alignment the entire time, whether you realize it or not. And a lot of the time we don't realize it. Most of the time we don't realize it literally until we are in our awakening phases and going on our life journey, right? And progressing in it. The energy that you are in right now, it is a great energy to be in, and you are being asked also to stay in that energy, keep progressing in it, and just really take in, experience, and enjoy the journey. Okay, enjoy the ride of it. But yeah, this is definitely giving Master Manifestor vibes, and you are Queen of Wands here. You are tapping into some define. You are tapping into some divine feminine energies here within yourself. It doesn't matter gender doesn't matter. You are in an energy where you are nurturing. You're nurturing, caring for yourself, probably more than you ever have before. Okay, and it's like getting to know yourself all over again. Also, if you know, you know, and it's quite a process. It's quite a journey, but it is very fulfilling, very satisfying as well. And in the Temperance card, there's the 2 cups and the water flowing between them. Okay, you're filling your own cup now instead of filling others. Okay, a lot of people are gonna see it as selfish, but this is the right path for us, and to ultimately take care of yourself so that you can take care of the ones that you love, take care of the ones that you want to take care of. And you are learning too who is deserving of your attention and energy and who is not. I really love this spread, and this is exactly what we do on this channel here, and we speak about you, your journey, your life purpose, your life journey, the growth, the expansion, the progression, okay, confirmations, all of that good stuff, all of the spiritual advice, guidance that we can receive. Okay, that was good. I really like that one. Okay, let's move on to some general messages here to see where this reading is going to go. Like, there's a vibe, okay? There's a vibe here. You're straight chilling, okay? You've been focusing on yourself, you've been chilling. And especially recently, if you have been working on yourself for a long time, if you've been working on yourself for a good, 2-3 years, really growing, expanding. And also, that is meant to be for you if any of that resonates as well. Let's get some collective angel numbers that you probably have been seeing recently. Okay, so there's 5 already, which of course I have seen many, many 5s. 1, 4, 4 as well. Divine Creator, Divine Angels. Let's get some collective angel numbers for the current energy read as well. So 5 aces are 1, so you could be seeing a lot of 5s, 6s, 1, 1, 1, 11, 11. What else do we got? 3s. Gotta put my numbers in order. Okay. Any other angel numbers? 2, 222, 333. Anything else? 1212 also I'm getting. And then we have some ages here too. And I'm gonna say ages between 25 to 35, or even 36 years old. Any other numbers, Divine? 7, 10. I also want to ask for some signs as well. Can we get some signs, Divine? What do we got for this message that you want to go into? I don't even know if I should take those. That's too much. Divine Creator. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we have inspiring others. This card, April, was trying to flip over, so I'm going to put April out. And obviously that's coming up. And there's a card here on the bottom that says come my way. Okay, what do we have for April? Something about inspiring others. You are inspiring others. And we have expression. So just by expressing your genuine self, you are inspiring others. We also have this to be continued card, so I don't know what that means yet. Divine Creator. What's happening in April? So we have this card. Breaking chains. Yes, okay. So we have defensive energy. There could be a little bit of a defensive energy about this. I don't know about this specifically. So we have 2 cards about breaking something. Breaking bad habits, and we have breaking chains here. This defensive energy card, you may... Some things we need to hear, some things we don't want to hear, okay? But we need to hear it. And we need certain advice and things that we don't want. We just don't... You know, we don't like it, or our ego doesn't like it, etc. This is definitely relating to the April card. Okay, something is being purged at this time. Something is being broken away, I saw a image of a twig snapping. Okay, something is snapping, is breaking away. Also, this could be just the energy that you have had before, this defensive energy. You could have had that energy, and literally right now during this time, you are breaking away from that, and you are growing. That's the main thing, is just it's growth, tremendous growth. Okay, let's get some more cards. Ooh, I just saw the water sign card. So we have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And look, talking about water, and then the card Thirsty just fell out. And we were just talking about water. And I'm also getting thirsty right now. What do you know? Jeez. Okay, so prevalent water energy, prevalent water sign energy here. And we have party and celebrations, okay? In this time of rest, celebrate. Do what makes you happy. I don't know about you guys, like I am a super like homebody, okay? I will literally throw a party for myself and just party with myself, like, and it is good to actually be comfortable with ourselves like this also, and learning about yourself and just all that good stuff. Yeah, there is also something to celebrate for you right now, whether you see it or not. Okay, just know you have made it. You have been doing what you need to do. Okay. Spirit is very impressed with this. Impressed with what you have been doing, how far you have come. Okay. Divine really wants you to step into knowing it. And hold on, what is this? Look, we have the water sign card again. Okay, so now I can pull it out. So yeah, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, whether that is your sign or the sign of whoever it is we're going to touch on today. Someone who has been or is impulsive and even reckless. Okay. Okay. So we also have focusing on self-care card right here. And then we have a no card. A no, and then the impulsive and reckless. Okay. Is this also, this impulsive card could also be, it could also be that you might have been feeling like you are impulsive or reckless in some type of way, shape, or form. This very well could be directed towards yourself here. Okay. Keep focusing on your self-care. Keep breaking those barriers, expanding. Always open for growth, open for new knowledge as well. Oh, okay. So maybe this no card is also saying that your ego mind could have been telling you this, that you have been impulsive or that you have been reckless or you made a impulsive decision recently or something like that. But this card is confirmation that no, you did the right thing. Okay, you did the right thing. You are on the right path also. Okay, that's what that was about.